What's going on, my fellow Farmall brothers and sisters? All right, so today I'm just going to talk about a little bit what's getting ready to go down around here. Had some change of plans, and a few other things are going to unfortunately jump in front of that 300. Not by much, but I got a few plans, so stay tuned. You're going to find out what I'm doing. Alright, so we have another beautiful Saturday out here in southern PA. Big difference from what it was yesterday. Yesterday we actually had snow coming down, didn't stick. We had some snow coming down, we had a little bit of freezing rain. Didn't last really very long. Sadly, trees, see the tree behind me? All the trees around here starting to bud. And it's supposed to get a slight cold snap next week, but I still have a feeling we're going to end up getting some damn snow, probably middle of March. I think something's coming. And I think all these trees are going to get shocked once we get that freeze again. I don't think it's going to last long, but we're going to get it. So anyway, a little bit I'm going to talk about the 300. Obviously, I'm waiting on the head to come back from the head shop. This is why I don't like taking my stuff out places and getting things done. This is why I like doing shit myself, because I dropped that head off in December. I mean, yeah, the guys are good guys. I mean, they're old school. They know what they're doing. But damn, it's almost March, and I ain't got the head back yet. I'm not sending any more heads or any more parts out unless it's something like a crank turning or something I can't do here, or the Cub cylinders, something needs bored out. Like I said, I'm not sending anything else out. This is why I do everything myself. I hate waiting. I could do the same job that they're doing. I just decided since this thing got overheated, I want them to check it out. But yeah, I'm not much to wait this long. So anyway, so I'm going to end up probably moving, if I can, I might move that 300 back just a little bit, and then I'm going to probably roll the 49 Cub in front, and I might go ahead and start stripping down that 49 Cub. And I kind of want to get that to you know, at least get it running first and see if I can get the thing to pop off. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give it a quick restoration. It's not going to be as meticulous as the A, but it's going to look good. I'm going to go through everything. I'm going to do a new clutch, I'm going to do new rings, bearings, whatever it needs. It's going to get done, and it's going to get all sanded down, primed, the whole 9 yards. Everything's going to get replaced, but we're going to do this at a little higher pace, because I actually want to use that little thing in the garden a little bit. I'm actually going tomorrow to pick up a 1-bottom plow for the Cub, and got a good price on it. And I end up finding the guy also has a magneto available for a Cub, because the 48 needs the magneto. It's missing. So that's the plan. We're going to roll in the 49 Cub, and I'm going to go ahead and get that moving, because that's a pretty simple, easy little tractor to get moving. We're going to go ahead and get that thing looking pretty like everything else, and get using it. The 48 Cub, that's going to come in probably closer to the fall, because that one's for my younger daughter, and she wants that one identical to my Super A. So, you know, I got my work cut out for me on that one again, because she wants everything almost down to the Cerakoted rods, to the powder coated rims, the clear coat on the paint. You know, she wants it the white and the red like mine, but obviously I got to do it in the Cub fashion. But yeah, it's going to be a lot more detail into that one. So the 48 is going to be a show tractor, just like the 49 Super A. My 49 Cub is going to get used. I'm going to restore the Woods belly mowers in the future. Won't be too long, I'll be doing it. I'm going to restore one of the plows, and I'm going to go ahead and restore the 1-bottom plow that's I'm getting for it. So that way it's going to get used. But like I said, it's going to look good. Now also, I ended up picking up a trailer. I picked up a little 4x8 Harbor Freight trailer. Got it for 150 bucks. Again, can't beat it, right? Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to be leapfrogging between the Cub and this trailer, because I want to get this trailer ready for parades and shows. So that way I have something to haul everybody around on when we take it out and take it to parades. I'm going to give the same color red and white treatment as the Super A. I have new fenders coming for it, because I don't like the fenders that's on it. I wanted something a little bit more round, something that flows, something kind of goes with these tractors. So I have new fenders coming. We're going to do the wood sides, and then I'm going to do the wood seats inside, and then I'm going to have the upholstery shop up the street go ahead and upholster me 2 strips for the butt. That's going to match the seat on the Super A. So it's going to be a pretty sharp looking little tractor. And obviously it's only going to get used just for parades and shows. The hay wagon, I will end up, sorry, my arm's falling asleep. The hay wagon will probably get used for yard work for right now. until I get some more things moving, and eventually we're going to clean that hay wagon up and paint it and do all the good stuff to it. My whole goal is I'm really hoping something good will happen and the good Lord will shine down on me and rain some cash down here so I can finally get this building up. I'm looking to have to get at least probably about 10 grand together to get a building moving here. YouTube has been kind of, I hate to say it, but dicking me a little bit on the revenue. Ever since the first of the year, they've dropped a lot of people's revenue down, and they've killed mine. So that's to say, between revenue and the couple of donations, and I thank you guys again for the donations, but let's just say they've made it to the point where I ain't making squat on YouTube, so I'll just put it that way. So I'm doing these videos basically for fun, and the fact of I like talking to you guys and like showing you guys what I'm doing. But as far as making money right now, I ain't making no money on YouTube. None of this funding is coming from YouTube money. But it's all good. Like I said, I enjoy what I'm doing. But I got to get a building up because I got to get this stuff in so I can get multiple things moving. And I'm going to get the stuff out of the weather. So hopefully something will happen. Like I said, guys, send a good prayer my way that something good will happen very soon so I can finally get this building moving. Like I said, I'm looking at about maybe a 36 by 36, 36 by 40, somewhere in there. Like I said, to get the pad and everything in and then get started on the pole building. I'm going to need about 10 grand to get moving on this thing, so maybe eventually it'll happen. But anyway, I'm going to flip this camera around. I'm going to show you the little trailer. We're going to go inside. I got a Steiner box delivered today. Another part going on that Super A. And then yeah, kind of give you a quick lowdown on what's going on. And then my next video coming out is actually going to be kind of getting this stuff moving. So let me flip this around. All right, so this is a little trailer I picked up. And as you see, it's really good condition. Yeah, a little 2-inch ball. It's not all rusted, not rotted. Everything's good on it. This is the little fold-up trailer. It's a little 4x8. I mean, it's a $600 trailer. And like I said, 150 bucks. Like I said, I don't like the fenders. That does not follow the lines of the tractors. So the new fenders I have a really nice round sweep. They're a fiberglass fender. They actually look really good. I'm going to probably end up changing the rims out soon. I'm going to make the rims, I'm going to get front rims from the Super A's. And I'm going to mount the front rims on the trailer so it picks up off the A's. And I'm looking for a set of nostalgic tail lights. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe something from like a Model A or something. I want something that's kind of got an old look to it. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and paint this thing all up and get the colors going. I'm going to powder coat the rims, obviously with the chrome on the outside. And I'm going to do the red on the center so it helps pick up on the style for now until I change them over. And then we're going to do the wood floor and all. So that's the plan on that. This is the 48 Cub. This is the one I just found the Magneto for. Magneto I found for 40 bucks. Couldn't beat that. So, like I said, this one was missing the mag. So anyway, 40 bucks for a mag. I'm picking it up tomorrow. And the one bottom plow, I got both of them for 140 bucks. So you couldn't beat it. So I'm picking that up tomorrow. This is the one that's going to get the meticulous restoration, like the Super A. And the one I'm getting ready to roll into the shop is this one. This is the one. It's got the woods mower and everything on it. Like I said, I'm going to restore the woods, get everything done yellow, get it all done just like it did when it came from the factory. And this will be the one that you guys are going to see rolling in. So we're going to go ahead and, I guess, head into the shop. And then I'm going to go ahead and show a couple of parts that showed up. And then my next video coming up is going to be rolling this thing inside the shop in front of that 300 and get this thing moving. So let's take a walk on down and walk in there. Now I feel like there was more things I want to tell you guys about because unfortunately I haven't had a chance to really talk about too much. Yeah, it really sucks, like I said, having to wait on the parts for the 300, waiting on that head. But it is what it is. Here's one of the plows for the Cub. This is probably the one I'm going to end up restoring. The other one that I have parts on it, but somebody welded railroad spikes to it and everything for the shoes. I don't like that, so I'm going to order the shoes for this one. Gino at Farmall, Fanatic, he found a guy who makes some nice shoes. Either I'll get them from him or I'll make some, one of the two. But I definitely got to get them on here. So that's going to be the one used for the 49. And then I haven't forgotten about the H. Trust me, the H is definitely going to get some things moving too. But I got to get these other projects running first. I did buy a winch and some other parts for that flat trailer. So I'm going to be doing a video soon on, I'm building new ramps for it, longer ramps, like 5-foot ramps instead of the 4s. And then I'm going to do the winch plate to go ahead and mount that thing on there. So there's the Harbor Freight winch I picked up, 12,000 pound winch. and running a snatch block and everything on there, it'll pull up everything I need to pull up on that trailer. Alright, so here's one of the parts that I just got for the Super A. Try and get this open without snagging my hand up on those. But this has bothered me for a while. So I finally got it. I'm going to strip it down and repaint it, but I don't know if you can see, but it's the new pedal cover. Because yeah, I tried to bang that other one straight. I could heat the other one and shrink the metal and do some twisting on it. I could probably make it fly, but I couldn't. It bothers me on here. It always had, you know, right here on the edge, these dents that I try to work out. And I guess I could have done them better if I was if I would have worked on this before I painted it. But I wasn't expecting this A to come out this nice. So to me at the time, it was like, no big deal. Yeah, it's a big deal. I still love them rims. Boy, them things shine nice. They look so good on this A. But anyway, so yeah, pedal cover now is going to get replaced. And then I got 2 more things I'm actually replacing on this before the next show. So you guys are going to have to make sure you stay tuned to see the 2 things. One of them, nobody has done that I've seen on YouTube. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that. The biggest project, sorry I'm making you guys sick here. The biggest project I'm looking forward to, but I can't do it until I do the building, is pulling that other 300 utility in, the one with the backhoe and the bucket on it, because I want to actually go ahead and I'm going to do a full-on restoration on that. I'm going to restore the hoe and everything. I haven't seen one done, and I want to see it done. So I need the shop for it because I need to build a gantry to be able to lift that hoe and everything up. But I think it's going to look really good restored. These are all the brackets that's going to go onto the trailer. This is going to hold all the side stake rails together. And let's see what part this is. Let's just say this isn't the easiest thing to do with one hand. Thank God the bags are heavy. They kind of open themselves. Let's see what this is. I think I ordered 2 of these, I believe. Yep, I got 2 of those. So go around the top rail, go around the bottom rail, and then I think tomorrow the stake pockets are going to arrive, so I can stick the stake pockets out a little further. So that's the plans on the trailer. Other than that, I do have a short video that's getting ready to come up soon. Somebody requested a 2 Cub steps, my last 2 that I had left. He wants one in the Cub yellow, and he wants one in the Farmall red. So I'm going to go ahead and pop up a short, and I'm going to show what it looks like in the Cub yellow. So if anybody decides they want one, once I get more made, Cub yellow is going to be available next. So make sure you hit me up if you want one. Other than that, that's about it. Yeah, Super A is looking good as usual. Like I said, I replaced that band on there. That was bothering me. There's really not much more to replace on it, except for you know, I'm thinking about going and replacing the tie downs on the battery. Somebody actually messaged me. I saw it on one of the posts one time. I don't know, it might have been Farmall, was it the engine rebuilder page on Facebook. The guy actually took, you know, the round cylinder and threaded it, and then he actually used that to go under here and then screwed it down and clamped the battery hold down. You know, it definitely looked good. It looked nice. It was sharp looking. So I might do something like that for this. I reversed this way because I liked it better with the eyelet up instead of the eyelet down. But I might make one of those in the future for that. But like I said, I got 2 more things I'm getting ready to do to it, and then I don't know. I think she actually may be done, except for the last thing. I might go ahead and put the bracket on and put the swinging drawbar piece on there. I'm kicking around the idea. I really don't need it, but it's one of those things. I may put it on because I have it. So I don't know. I guess you guys would be the second to know if I decide to go ahead and use it. Other than that, that is it. So stay tuned for those future videos. Like, subscribe, and share. And as you see, I got about 5 different fires burning right now. So I got a lot of work cut out ahead of me. So between my actual job, between YouTube videos, and between welding up the steps, I got to find time now to get all these projects moving. So, but it's fun. It's worth it. other than that, that's about it. Like I said, again, if you guys want any steps, make sure you hit me up, because these steps are, you know, once I make them and they become available, they sell quickly. I sold all 8 of those other ones within, what, a week and a half. So if you guys want one, shoot me an email, 7valleysfarmalls@gmail.com. I'm getting ready to go pick up steel this week, and I'll probably start fabbing a whole bunch of them up again, like another 8. So if you want one, I would say shoot me a message and get a pre-order going, because if you don't, you're going to lose out, because these things go really fast. You know, I got them for the A's and I got them for the Cubs, so let me know. But other than that, that's it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and until next time.